this Guinness World Record holder, the longest boom pump on Earth starts live right here in Zoomlion Smart Industrial City, a 670-acre hub where 12,000 pumps are manufactured every year. I'm Alex. Today we are visiting Zoomlion Smart City Concrete Machinery Park to uncover how Zoomlion builds its legend. Let's go! The park produces machines such as pump trucks, city pumps, trailer pumps, placing boom and spreads, has planned and built 32 intelligent production lines, 6 unmanned automatic work areas, claims 169 patents, and 55 innovative technologies. It's truly an intelligent manufacturing park. Let's go inside and take a look. Every world-class pump begins with the unbreakable backbone, and ours starts with building so precisely. It is certified to ISO, the highest global standard. We use 4 robotic arms working in perfect sync, laser-guided double wiring system, and X-ray plus ultrasonic scanners that outperform typical factory inspection systems. Every inch gets MRI level scrutiny. That's how we have nailed perfect wheels, ensuring 100% passing rate. Now we armor up with our signature Aurora Green. You may have seen Aurora Green pop up everywhere, in deserts, bridges and cities. Clients love our color, but the real magic is underneath. It isn't just pretty, we go much deeper. Our paint line is the most complete in the industry. From full automatic degreasing, derusting and smoothing, to 3D powder coating reciprocator, to precise infrared coloring. Every step is engineered to deliver a finish that's soil-proof, UV-resistant and humidity-proof. Whether you are in Dubai's heat or Norway's frost, the finish holds strong. Our warehouse management system ensures machinery accuracy while enhancing efficiency. Our warehouse is equipped with 241 self-driving cars, which are the AGVs, automatically distributing 2,500 cars to 651 locations across the factories. The AGVs will work in coordination with the other robots' arms to efficiently carry on to the assembly tasks. This is where precision meets pure optimization. Hopper assembly line. Welcome to the future and no man's zone. This unit is equipped with only 4 robots, 2 gluing machines, 5 press machines, and 9 vision systems. This system replaced human labor with mechanization. Now you can have your orders shipped faster with zero compromise on quality. Now we might wonder who is quality checking all this. Meet our smart cloud system. It monitors every bolt tightened, every weld inspected in real time. Our engineers are keeping close eyes on all of this. That's how our standard pump is made. Wait a minute, you want your pump extra spicy? Not a problem. We've got more customization options than you can imagine. Your wish is our command. We have shipped standard or custom pumps to over 80 countries, and every single one is built to outlast its environment. From welding to self-drying parts, this is how Zoomlion builds pumps that works harder, lasts longer, and looks cooler. What do you want to see? Comment down below. We are going to check other factories. Remember to subscribe so you won't miss it. See you soon, my friend. Bye-bye.